A young man was crushed to death by Agartala to Dharmanagar express train on Friday night. This incident took place at Subhasnagar area and Jogendranagar on Friday evening. Once again, a young man was crushed to death by Agartala to Dharmanagar express train on Friday evening at Subhasnagar area in Jogendranagar. The GRP rushed to the incident place immediately after the news was informed. The deceased body was separated apart into two pieces. However, the police are yet to identify the deceased youth.
তো আগরতলা স্টেশনের থেকে একটা খবর পাইছি, আমরা একটা মেমো পাইছি 179-এর 4 আর 2-এর মধ্যে একটা রানওভার হয়েছে। একজন আননোন পারসন, এখন অব্দি আমরা শনাক্ত পাইছি করতে পারছি না। আমরা একটা মেডিকেশন নিয়ে তদন্ত আরম্ভ করছি, তদন্ত চলছে।
The police sent the corpse to Agartala GB hospital for the post-mortem after the body was recovered. There was an intense excitement in that area regarding the incident. Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.